So the new equation is sales minus profit equals expenses.
I just want to say thank you to Dave Thomas for educating me on janitorial. Now I know how to bid, I know the right formula and the right process not to mess my bids up, and it was very important and very informative. It was worth every dime.
So let's face it, if there was a bowl of candy in front of you, what would you all do? You put your hand in, you reach in, and you take some and you eat it. Business owners do the same thing with their bank accounts, because right now I see a whole pile of money. I think life is good. I'm going to go spend some.
That's how important that pre-bid survey is. Because I can't complete the bid correctly to make the best profit or sustainable profit, I should say. So let's go back here. We've got to put, because it should have figured everything down here for you already. Right?
Yes.
Because here's your supply, your labor. It figured automatically. It figured your equipment and supplies automatically. Put those in. So it tells me my cost on this is 43 cents a square foot. It also tells me down here automatically what I needed to know, which is what you came in here at 9 o'clock this morning asking me. I told you by the end of the day I would show you how to get there.